Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I have another Boxycharm unboxing video this month. This will be the August 2022 Boxycharm base box unboxing. I know that the last long form video I posted was July's Boxycharm unboxing, and I know last time I said that I would be doing a pregnancy safe beauty favorites video, and I hadn't just yet, but I promise you that that video will come the week after this one is posted. I am sitting down and filming that one as soon as I'm done filming this one. I even have all my products here to force me to do it. It's just been a very rough couple of months, but I'm feeling kind of better. I'm feeling kind of back into the groove of things. So hopefully I am putting more videos like that out. I have been posting a lot of YouTube shorts about pop culture. If you have been watching them and following them and, you know, interacting with them, thank you so much. I get quite a bit of interaction on those, more so than I do the long form videos, but I guess that's just the YouTube algorithm. But in any case, we are going to unbox this month's Boxycharm. Again, I don't know what the theme for this month is because I am pretty good at avoiding spoilers, so I'm super excited. And if you hadn't checked out last month's video and you want to, go ahead and do that. I'm sure it'll be linked somewhere on this page. The July box was actually probably one of my favorite boxes that I've gotten in a very long time. There was a lot of products in there that I really liked. So I was really pleased with that one. So here is the August box. Got everything in here. It looks like the theme is dusk till dawn. Here it is here. So that is an interesting theme. Let's see. So we'll start with this because it was on top. I actually have used this brand before because of Boxycharm. I believe you can get them on Amazon. The brand is Aesthetica. This is the Aesthetica Starlight Highlighter. Ooh, okay. Let's see here. I'm not quite sure if this is safe for pregnancy, so I'm only going to swatch a tiny bit of it. I believe the last Aesthetica product I tried was an eyeliner and I liked it. So hopefully the same holds true for the highlighter that I'm having trouble with. There we go. Oh, okay, this is nice. Let me take that off. Here it is here. It's kind of got like a pinkish undertone. It's very nice. Very creamy. Here it is on my finger, if you could see that. Swatch it. I like it. It's like a nice, like, subtle glow. I like that a lot, actually. I feel like I'm always, like, pleasantly surprised by these, like, lesser-known brands. They end up being, like, really good. So it says here, the Aesthetica Starlight Highlighter. Create a multi-dimensional radiant glow. This velvety, soft, lightweight, illuminating formula delivers stunning, buildable highlight that can be worn day or night. Achieve a picture-perfect, luminous finish that complements all skin tones. It's worth $25. $25 isn't too bad for a product this size. Is actually quite big. I think it's pretty good too. Next, we have something from a brand that I absolutely love. I've received them in Boxycharm boxes a few times before and am totally obsessed. It is Glow Recipe. It is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. Unfortunately, I can't use this while I'm pregnant because as retinol, I can't use retinol while I'm pregnant. But in any case, I will be trying this the second that baby comes out of me because I absolutely love Glow Recipe. Here is the product here. I always like their packaging. It's always so cool. I feel like this is a lot of product for a eye cream as well. Here is what it looks like on the inside, just a cream. It doesn't really have a scent, which I kind of prefer, but in any case, I'm excited to try this once I am able to. For something like this, I wouldn't be surprised if this is more on the pricier end because eye creams tend to be pricier and this is a lot of product in this container. But it says here, Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. Reignite the sparkle in your eyes with a gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. Long-lasting actives released to help moisturize, brighten, fight fine lines, and depuff. It's worth $42. To be honest, $42, I expected more than that for the amount that you get here. But in any case, I'm really excited. I absolutely love Glow Recipe. Okay, next we've got a little white box here, which usually means a Natasha Denona palette. Yes. Do I have this one? I don't know. Okay, so here's a Natasha Denona palette here. Let me check real quick to see if I have that one. I might. So I do have that one. It is the Cupid palette here. I have the other ones here. I will probably give this to my mom. I feel like this is some shades that she would like. And let me just tell you that these Natasha Denona palettes are probably some of my favorite palettes that I have received in Boxycharm boxes because they're just that good. They're like super creamy. They're really, really nice. So it says here the Natasha Denona Cupid eyeshadow palette. With 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics, the versatile 5-pan Cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks from flirty to fierce. Featuring rich coppery browns, bright champagne pinks, and luscious burgundy corals. All 5 shades are velvety, hydrating, and effortless to layer and is worth $48. I know that Natasha Denona palettes are often on the pricier side. I mean, normally for almost $50 you can get a bigger palette, but they are really, really good. They're very creamy. Okay, let's see. Next we have, I guess the brand is called Queen. Here it is here. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. Queen Studio, but Queen with a V. The Bow Down Transparent Brow Glue. Okay, so I haven't heard of this brand before, which obviously means I haven't tried them before. Here it is here. Tiny little container. And then some brow glue here. I have some brow glue on now, not much, but I'm not gonna use this as well while I have it on. But let's see, tell me more. It says here the Queen Studio Bow Down Brow Glue. Command your brows. This easy to use, non-sticky, flake resistant, super long lasting, transparent formula stays in place for 16 plus hours and has a natural finish that works on any brow color. Armed with a baby spoolie applicator, sweep and shape your eyebrows to perfection. It's worth $16 and it is a new launch. So if you've tried this brand before, let me know what you think. I would love to know. And $16 isn't too bad for a brow product. I feel like brow products are typically pricey, but this isn't. And the last product is from a brand that I know I received in Boxycharm before, but I don't remember what product it was. I've received so much over the months and like 2 years that I've had Boxycharm, I don't remember some things. But it is the brand Basic Beauty. And this is their Latte and Cocoa Lip Liner Duo. Okay, here they are here. They look like they will be some nice shades. This one is the Cocoa. There it is there. That's a nice brown shade. And then this one is the Latte, which is more of like a red rust color shade. I feel like these are really good shades for the fall. So it says here, the Basic Beauty Gel Lip Liner Duo. These gel lip liners are creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating. They smoothly glide onto lips and blend with little to no effort. They're worth $24, and this is also a new launch. I will say they are very creamy. Like, they slid right on my hand. So I would be really curious to see if it works the same on lips, and even just rubbing my finger over it, they blended right in. So that is what we got in the August 2022 box. Let me add up the value of this box and let you guys know what it comes out to. Okay, so the total of this box is $155, which I think is a pretty good deal considering what you are paying for the box. My thoughts on the box overall, it wasn't my favorite, but it definitely wasn't the worst. I think I would have been happier if I got a different Natasha Denona palette since I already have that one, but I mean, you can't have it all in life. And it's funny because the product that I'm most excited about is the Glow Recipe Eye Cream that I can't use for another 4 months, but I will live. All in all, I would much rather be paying the handful of dollars for this box each month and getting like a variety of products than the $155 to buy these products a la carte. So I feel like these boxes are definitely a good deal in that regard. As always, I'm so grateful to Boxycharm for sending me these boxes each month to share with you guys. Let me tell you that over the past like 2 years since I started receiving these boxes, my makeup collection has expanded so much, and I've been getting to try so many different products and brands that I probably never would have tried without this box. Even today, I put a tiny bit of eyeshadow on with a palette from last month's box. It was like the Phase Zero palette, or maybe that was a month before. But in any case, I love that palette. I can tell you right now, I never would have tried that palette had it not been for Boxycharm because I had never heard of the brand before. So if I'm calculating correctly, I believe next month will also be a Luxe box month. So I'll be sure to share those boxes with you guys then. If you are interested in learning more about Boxycharm, I will leave links to both a blog post that I will post as well as Boxycharm's website in the description down below. I'll also leave a link where you can go and subscribe to Boxycharm if you are interested, which I highly recommend because it's fun to get a surprise in the mail each month, especially with different makeup and skincare products, because I don't know, it's just exciting. And as always, if you have any questions about Boxycharm, please leave a comment. Let me know. If I can't answer it, I will reach out to Boxycharm and get an answer for you. And if you don't already, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media. I will leave links to all my social media in the description down below. And until next time, see you guys.